We're living through a pandemic, but there are certain advantages. Since I'm working from home, I have more time to spend with my family. Unfortunately, my son loves sweets, and since my wife is busier than ever, not to mention that my daughter's had a runny nose for a few days, the Dr.CLOBO camera and app allow you to send photos and streaming video to your care provider providing during online consultations. Time to check if my son's been brushing enough. Good thing we have Dr.CLOBO. But we still need to cut back on candy. The Dr.CLOBO camera comes with a variety of camera heads for whatever your purpose may be. Any part of the body, including ears, nose, mouth, skin, and more, can be checked with just one Dr.CLOBO. It's time to check on my daughter's sinus issues with the ear and nose camera head. My scalp's been a bit itchy lately. Thankfully, Dr.CLOBO makes it easy to check your scalp. My wife is stressed from work and she's worried about her skin, but she doesn't have the time to drive across town for an appointment. Now she can get some peace of mind by consulting with her skincare specialist by using Dr.CLOBO. Even during the pandemic, Dr.CLOBO makes it more convenient than ever to make sure your family is healthy. And nothing's more important than your family's health. And a healthy family is a happy family. Dr.CLOBO is here for the whole family. I almost forgot about my dad. Seems I don't need to worry. He's taking care of himself with Dr.CLOBO. This guy is still my hero, and it looks like he'll be here for a long time. Thank you, Dr.CLOBO.